tire is flat. Let's change a new one. Let's take off screws and remove the broken tire. Then put on the new tire. Install new screws and fasten the new tire. Not this one. Give it another try. Not this one. Give it another try. Not this one. Give it another try. The tire has been properly installed. Next, let's pump it up. The tire has been replaced. Great job! Great! It's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. As good as a new one. You are awesome! Remember to fasten your seatbelt when driving.